Okay guys, today we have the Rough Cut 2x4 from Nerf's N-Strike Elite line. This is the shotgun of the line. It's the elite successor to the Barrel Break, which is a Toys R Us exclusive blaster. It's set up in 2 columns of 4 darts each and fires in a couple different ways. It's got a shotgun, of course, because it's a shotgun, priming grip. And when you prime it, you can either pull the trigger halfway for the first shot and the rest of the way for the second shot. You can pull the trigger real hard and that will fire both at the same time. Or, as Nerf seems to like to do on most of their blasters for the Elite line, is if you hold the trigger down, it has Slamfire. So we're going to do firing tests of all the different ways. Only going to be doing 8 shots for this blaster because it would be silly to do 8 and then load another 2 for 10. I'm not going to make you guys sit through the reload. But here we go. Let's find out some ranges for the Rough Cut 2x4. Okay, there's our single shots fired off. As we walk our way down here, got our lowest one. Blaster pack's decent bit of punch. Spun this one right into the ground. That's sitting at 28 feet. By the way, there's a slight breeze left to right, but you can see the leaves on the ground aren't really moving at all, so not enough to throw off the ranges. Gonna call the middle of the pack here at 44 feet. And we work our way up to the top shot. Went out here to the side a bit. And we walk that one in. And that walks into 58 feet. So 58 feet for the Rough Cut single shot. Get reloaded and do double shot. Okay, back again with the Rough Cut 2x4. This time around I'm going to be pulling down hard on the trigger so it fires both shots at the same time. Let's see what the ranges are for that. Okay, there's all 8 shots fired off. Looks like doing it that way had a bit better result than the single firing. So we go to our lowest dart. As you can see, they're still spinning all over the place, and that's sitting at 32 feet for the low one. But from what I've used it in some Nerf wars and stuff, the darts going all over the place out of the Rough Cut is just on par for the blaster, even indoors. Middle of the pack, sitting at 47. And we work our way. These top ones landed in a bit of a cluster here. So the top one there walks into 55 feet. So after seeming better, pretty much about the same, but we still have one more fire mode to go. We have the Slamfire. Okay, and back one last time with the Rough Cut 2x4. Last but certainly not least, gonna do Slamfire mode. So gonna hold down the trigger and see what happens as we pump this firing grip. Here we go. Okay. There we are. A little bit hard to hold the blaster steady while doing that, but tried my best for you guys. Keep the ranges accurate. We got our lowest shot here. That one spiraled out at 26 feet. So we work our way up. Gonna call the middle here at about 40 feet. And our top one landed nice on the tape for me, nice and easy. And that is sitting dead on 47 feet. So slam firing, and of course, I mean, the blaster is shaking a bit, so that affects things too. But slam fire for the Rough Cut, 47 feet. Pretty nifty to have a nice shotgun blaster for Nerf for once. Thanks for watching, guys.